Hey guys, Mr. Steckler here. Quick video on lesson 3.0, the design process. So you guys are going to be using this document, which you're going to have to copy from the content library, right click, and paste this into your own class notes. Now note that this is the notebook for your period 1S, 3S, 4S. This is not the shared engineering notebook, so you'll have to go into this notebook to get it. Now once you get it and you copy and paste it into your notes, you'll notice at the top there's a vocab list, do this last. It is a say do mean summary for all the different parts of the design process. These are on my back wall. So we're skipping this and you're starting on step number 1. You're going to read these instructions over here. You're then going to look at question 2, which is telling you to use the chart below. This is the chart. I've filled this out. You don't have to do anything in this chart. You're just using it, and you can highlight it if you want or take notes or annotate on the side. You will be using this chart for step number 3. So you're going to, for question number 2, simply read through this chart. When you read through the chart, you can put a check next to the step. After reading through all these different steps, I have 2 parts, what it is, and then an example using something you can relate to, robotics, to help you understand it. So this whole process is walked through over here, and you're going to use this process in this little mini project, which is what you're working on today. So step 3 starts where you're actually doing stuff. This project is on a project that other middle schoolers did. It is a high-tech locker entry. You're going to click on this link right here. You're going to watch this video. And you're probably going to want to do this in split screen or do it on your iPad with the computer being used. So sit next to your group mates and you guys are going to be naming these different steps and you're going to be taking detailed notes about each step in this video. So define the problem. Watch the video and try and figure out what was the problem they had. Do background research. You're going to try and think, because it doesn't tell you what they researched, but what might they have had to research to come up with their idea? What background information could they have done and where did that information come from? So the red over here is telling you kind of like questions to help you figure out what they did, and then I also have in black the steps. So you're going to be taking detailed notes, more than 1 sentence per part over here for all the stuff they did in that video, and then you're going to answer a couple comprehension questions, and remember to write your answers in purple 1-by-1 tables for 4, 5, 6, and 7. After you complete that, you guys are going to go finish your proof of understanding, which is all the stuff at the top. So this will be done at the very end. And in order to fill this out, you can use both this chart and you can use what you learned in the design process with the locker entry. So that is the whole lesson, guys. Hope you guys enjoy.